Hi guys, welcome back to KTB Creates. Today we're going to work on a bit of a unique project. I have this box that I purchased from Michael's that I want to use to make something to hold all of my essential oils. But you can recreate it to hold whatever you would like, so I thought it would be something fun to share with all of you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on that like button. So, like I said, this box I purchased at Michael's, I think it was somewhere around like $4. I actually did stain it ahead of time, and that's what it looks like stained. So I'm using these stickers from the Dollar Tree to spell out the word oils. So I'm putting that right centered on top of the box. Now, like I said, you can use this box for whatever you want. It can hold jewelry, it can hold just different knickknacks or keys or whatever you want. So I'm just taking my Waverly chalk paint and I'm going in and painting over the stickers with the chalk paint all around the box. I only did one coat of this paint very lightly. So once you're finished with the painting, you are going to go in and pull off the letters, pull off the stickers to reveal the stained wood underneath. They come off fairly easy. And then after you're finished pulling all of that off, you are just going to take a sanding sponge or a piece of sandpaper, and you're going to go in and lightly sand everything just to give it that nice distressed look. After you're finished sanding, I like to go in and just wipe off with some baby wipes just to get all of that dust off of the piece. And I didn't bother to do the inside of the box or anything because you're not going to really see it. And as you can see, the stain and the coloring underneath comes out really nice. So I wanted to use this Dollar Tree ribbon to decorate the box, but it was a little too wide to put around the box. So I'm simply going in and cutting off the edges where it's wired around the edge. So that's all I'm doing here. And then once I'm done cutting off the edges, I'm going to go in and just fray the edges a little bit just to make it look a little bit more, I guess, shabby chic and undone. And it shreds really easily. So I'm doing like 2 or 3 pieces on each side. And that's what it looks like. So then I'm taking my hot glue gun and I am just gluing that ribbon around the bottom of the box. Again, just to add some interest to it and decorate it a little bit. This will be in my master bedroom, right next to my diffuser. I'm obsessed with essential oils, so I have a lot of them, and they were kind of just all over my dresser, so I wanted to kind of corral them into something, and I thought this would be perfect. So then I'm just taking some cherry blossoms that I got at the Dollar Tree and I'm cutting them off. All you're going to use is the actual flower piece. You're not going to use the stems at all, and I'm just cutting them down like right to the flower piece. I'm just going to hot glue them to the corners again, just to decorate the box a little bit, make it look pretty. You can decorate it however you would want. Like I said, you don't need to use this for oils. You could use it for jewelry or maybe keys or mail or anything of the sort. So I just thought it was a nice idea that you guys can adapt to whatever you might like. Or if you're like me and you love your essential oils, it's perfect. So I hope you loved this project. If you did, feel free to like it because that always helps me out. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. But this is the finishing product here, and I just love the way it came. I think it looks so cute. It fits the Young Living essential oil bottles perfectly, or most essential oil bottles. And like I said, if you don't want to use it for that, you can use it for whatever you would like. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope to see you soon. I hope you're enjoying your summer, and make sure you stop back soon to see what other videos I have. See you soon.